Welcome to FlexFit Pro. We're thrilled to have you here as we embark on an exciting journey together. Today, we're diving into the transformative power of flexibility and mobility through our 14-day challenge. This isn't just about stretching, it's about growth both physically and mentally. Imagine waking up each day feeling lighter, more agile, and ready to take on whatever life throws your way. Flexibility and mobility are essential components of a healthy lifestyle, and they can significantly enhance your overall well-being. Whether you're an athlete looking to improve your performance, someone recovering from an injury, or simply seeking to feel more comfortable in your own body, this challenge is designed for you. Over the next 2 weeks, we'll guide you through a series of carefully curated exercises that will help you unlock your body's potential. Each day, you'll discover new movements that not only increase your range of motion, but also promote relaxation and reduce stress. It's amazing how a few minutes of focused stretching can shift your entire day, helping you feel more centered and energized. But this challenge is about more than just physical changes. It's an opportunity for personal growth. As you commit to this journey, you'll likely encounter moments of discomfort and challenge. Embrace them. These moments are where true growth happens. Remember, progress isn't always linear. Some days will feel easier than others, and that's perfectly okay. What matters is your dedication to showing up for yourself each day. We encourage you to document your journey. Take notes on how you feel before and after each session. You might be surprised by the insights you gain about your body and mind. Sharing your experiences with our community can also provide motivation and support. We're all in this together, and your story could inspire someone else to take that first step toward a more flexible and mobile life. As we move through this challenge, keep in mind that flexibility is not just about physical ability, it's also about being adaptable in life. The skills you develop here can translate into greater resilience and openness in your everyday experiences. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Join us for this 14-day flexibility and mobility challenge, and let's grow together. Remember, every small step counts, and you are capable of amazing things. Thank you for being part of the FlexFit Pro community. We appreciate your commitment to your health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on our latest challenges and tips, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Here's to a more flexible, mobile, and vibrant you.